Hi students, welcome to the ZEC English Crash Course ZECC 101. We were learning about the singulars and the plurals, 4 types. Now let's switch to the 5th type, that is about the singular and the plural of the acronyms, the short forms. So let's see how the short forms are transferred into the plural forms from the singular. So let's get started. ZEC English Crash Course. So students, the singulars are written on the board about the short forms. So let's see how to make the plurals from the singular. So the singular of BA, that is BA is a singular. BA जो है वो singular है, इसका प्लूरल बनाने के लिए हम S इस्तेमाल करेंगे. BAs कैसे होगा? BAs MA plus S is equal to MAs. MPA plus S is equal to MPAs. MPAs MNA plus S is equal to MNAs. VIP plus S is equal to VIPs. Okay, LLB plus S, LLBs. BBA plus S is equal to BBAs. CA plus S is equal to CAs. Okay, MBA plus S is equal to MBAs. Okay students, this was a lecture about the singular and the plural of the short forms like B, etc. Let's switch to another topic that is related to the foreign languages. The plural of the foreign language, the words of the English which are taken from the foreign languages will be changed into plural form. How they are formed, let's see and look at the board.